Good morning, everyone. Hey, Pauline and Crypto Panda, good morning. Oh yeah, the discounts. If you're asking about TopStep, the discount only applies if you register as a new customer. Peter, if you use my link, register as a new customer, your first purchase is going to have a 20% discount and the 50% discount on your first reset. That's the TopStep promotion. So that's how you can apply for the 20% discount. That's it. That's it. Hey, Ashevs, good morning. And Pinion Mendez, good morning. Peter, happy Friday. Absolutely. Happy Friday. Let's go. Let's go and let's check out what's happening. What is happening? You're long from 07. All right. Actually, that's a good area. I have a buy side, by the way, up there, drawn up. If I look to the left, there is a nice swing high up there with some order blocks up here. If I look on the 1 hour chart, well, I'd say there's some more room to go, definitely. So, yeah, 21st, yeah. So the 20% off on only is working, but only if you're a new. It's an invitational discount, if I may say so, for TopStep. If you register for a new account, then your first purchase, whichever account you choose, is going to have a 20% discount from the current price. So that's going to be an additional 20%, but only if you register with a new account. Now, if you already have an account, then obviously, unfortunately, it's not going to work, but it's still a great deal from TopStep for having this thing for everyone who's interested with TopStep. So, but we have some other discounts if you look around through the top. We have MyFundedFutures, Apex, Take Profit, Buleanox. So let's see. Let's see what's going on. This one looks like it wants to go higher. This gray area is an order block down there. I know we haven't really spoke about order blocks, but on the 15-minute, this is an order block. So we'll be watching for that. Because one thing, order blocks used to break. Sorry, I can't speak. And, you know, we have a structure shift going on, by the way, on the 5-minute. Do we have some news? We have nothing special in the London session. French prelim CPI in about 40 minutes, sorry. Man, I'm still sleeping. I did not have my coffee yet. So, okay. Must wake up. I was on a concert yesterday. At my time right now, it's just a few minutes past 8 a.m. And I was on a concert yesterday evening, and we were out in the city, and I got to go to bed around 2 a.m. ish, 2 a.m., 2:30 something. But it was a good night. No, good morning. May have a chance to enter down 5-minute market structure shift. Yeah. We might be having something here. That's why I'm looking closely. I like the area. The only thing that it's a little bit disturbing is that we still have this order block down there. 15-minute order block, bullish order block. I'm gonna put it to it's gonna be fine. 15-minute bullish order block. That could be some trouble. Martin, good morning. Good to see you. What's happening? You know, in the movie, I forgot to say yesterday, there's that movie from the 90s. It's called Office Space. You know, there's the guy who is the head of the office, Bill Lumbergh. Always goes around with a coffee mug in his hand and he says, what's going? No, what's happening? What's happening? I use order blocks as support. Not really as support. I would say, as far as an order block is not broken, for example here, price now is reacting to the order block, to this area, right? So is reacting, nice. But one thing, order blocks can be broken, so and usually they always break down, so which means that this area down there, the bottom of this order block, could be broken. Now after the order blocks are broken, like for example price goes back down, breaks the order block, then usually we can see the real move. But anyway, take some time to study order blocks. But one thing for sure, order blocks usually good targets for price or market to be broken. At least that's what I experienced. Good morning, best DJ in town, and Marco, good morning. So now you can use it as support. I'm not saying, because at this current situation right now, the order block is acting as support. So that's why it's so beautiful, I think, because if you want to, you can use the level of the order block as a potential support if you have an entry for that. So for example, I know a guy who trades like if price enters into an order block area, he immediately starts to go, for example here, starts to go long when there is a structure shift up there. He's not even waiting for a retracement. As soon as price, not even for a closed candle, as soon as price breaks some kind of a structure here, he starts to go long. So in this case, that trade would have been quite all right. Look at this. Boom. There was a structure shift. 1.7 R already. So that's also a strategy. That's the beauty. You can use it different ways if you want to. If you draw from the bottom of the order block to swing high, you see hit the OTE. Oh yeah. Absolutely. So that's another thing. So there's so many ways to utilize an order block. Yeah, exactly. You see, you're right, and that is why there's so many ways to go with these theories. It depends on you, how you want to carve out your own entry model, your own edge. Martin, good morning. Jeho is long. Jeho is long from 104, from down there. Okay, all right. I want to see midnight open and possibly higher for runners. Oh yes. I have some target up there at the 200s. It's not necessarily going to go there, but on the downside, I haven't really checked too many stuff. I mean, we have a fair value gap on the 15-minute here. I forgot to draw that. Sorry, here. So that's a possible target for price. And we have another one that has already been mitigated, which is inside, which is technically an order block here. So if we break it down from a little bit of a higher perspective, it's clear that during the Asia session, there was a strong push to the upside, shifted as a continuation, not really shifted, it confirmed this 1 hour candle that there's still a continuation in momentum to go higher, right? So we had the retest of the 15-minute order block, which is great. And now market would like to see if price continues to push higher. Obviously, Nasdaq is pretty much bullish since quite a while, so we'll see. Better make back to break even. You were deep in red at 130. Oh my god, you are holding diamond hands there, Crypto Panda. 107, yeah. Yeah, he's holding it. DM is short from 128. Oh my god, this is gonna be a real battle between you guys. And Naz is here. Wait till you see my streams fire. Yeah, let's go, Naz. Let's go, Naz. Good morning, Marcos. Classic trade. Nice. Okay, just save my night. 800 in less than 5 minutes. Man, that's how you do it. Come on, nice. Good job. So let me quickly check on gold of what's happening. Gold is also bullish. Now we are inside of also a 15-minute order block. Let me just 15-minute bearish order block. We'll see how this is going to react. I'm going to put this visual order here. So we'll see if we'll see the reaction. But for now, just a quick text. You're going long at 107. All right, let's see. Oh, let me go back to NQ. Sorry. So I just sent a text message. So it seems like Nasdaq is just pushing without stopping. The winner circle trader, come on. Let's go. Let's go, let's go. Nas, come on. What else do we have here? Okay, this is just pushing. All-time high test. Well, you could go. Yeah, we have some space to go, definitely. So why not? Nothing is stopping Nasdaq nowadays. Yeah, Fresh Cash Friday. Taps 1 hour order block. It's just oh yeah, with the 1 hour order block too. Totally forgot that. There is a 1 hour order block. I mean, let me put this down, but here it's actually an order block, not an A++ order block, because if I want to see an A++ order block, I would like to see at least from one of these candles a wick or the body taking out the previous candle, even going into some liquidity. But in this case, it's still all right. It's not an A++ order block, but it is one. So, and you know, price could be going down there below 96-ish to mitigate it a little bit more. But you know, look at Nasdaq, no stopping. Target for you, Asia highs. Okay, it's simple, basically. 140, good target. Now at this point, we had the shift. I just don't know where this is gonna go. Let me delete drawings. This is ES. Okay. Daily midnight open right there. So definitely ES wants to make some new highs as well. Quick look at gold again. Nothing special. I might going to take, by the way, I told you guys I dedicated an evaluation account for order block entries just to test it, forward test it. So I might take an entry on an order block on evaluation account, but we'll see. Got your 300k tax locked in at 59. Nice. Do 50k. Let's go, Nas. Let's go. At 3 minis from 104. Aiming for midnight open on 140 on the second, and then third aiming for 149. Okay, I see you have a good plan there, J-Ho. Well, let's see. Raised 33 points during the debate. Oh yeah, I just read the news this morning. There was the presidential debate, right, in the US. The only thing I read in the headlines is it was Trump was Trump was way better than Joe Biden. That's what they wrote. But I don't know. And I'm not gonna go into politics because I don't know anything what's happening over there. But that's what they wrote. If you can make switch to tick charts, bro. Yeah. Oh yeah. I'm not gonna use it for now, but sometimes I did trade with tick charts. So yeah. You don't need to bookmap or order flow. You can see liquidity in the charts. Oh yeah. Sometimes it's pretty much obvious, and that's true. Pretty much obvious sometimes. If you look at a chart, you can anticipate and assume where liquidity is. I would say, you know, bookmap is good for those who maybe, you know, like to scalp more, looking for small targets. Then obviously the bookmap can help. So making decisions. Sellers moving the market, it's a myth. Yeah, I mean, there was an interesting theory from ICT. I think he said it in the Corb's interview, and he said it on Twitter Spaces at multiple times. Like, one contract is enough to move the market. That's what he said. I mean, one single contract is enough to move the market. So he specifically asked Corbs, like, what do you think, how many contracts is needed to move the Nasdaq like a few points? And he said at least a few thousand contracts or something. And ICT said, no, only one contract is needed. I don't really understand that. I mean, I understand in theory, like if that one contract is a super huge contract, I guess so. But anyway. It's obvious to know where traders play stops, yeah. No, he has said one correct is all you need to make a living. Yeah, he said that too, but I remember that when he was making that interview with Corbs and he asked that, like, what do you think? I specifically remember, what do you think, how many contracts you need to move the Nasdaq or something like that? And I remember Corbs said, oh, you need 1,000 or whatever. And he said, no, only one. And I think I have to rewatch that interview, then maybe I remember it wrong. But so if I say right now, the market will crash. Maybe. Yeah, I will need to see the clip a little bit. Yeah, maybe. I'm sorry. Okay, for the next time, I can't find it now, but I know it was in the Corbs interview. I'm gonna find it. I'm gonna find it for next time, J-Ho. maybe I'm gonna clip it, just to see. I don't know, but something like that. Yeah, yeah, maybe. Anyway. Okay, let me check on gold. Gold is still in the order block, looking good. Nasdaq is up there. I'm telling you, the low of the order block looks juicy as well, but so if we ignore that this is a midnight open, then this was a market structure shift here, boom. And if that's a market structure shift, which it is, then it's just repricing that level. How about that on the 15-minute? And now it could be just going down there. Look at the 15-minute. It's like a short setup right now. Market structure shift, swept the highs, shifted lower, displacement. I'm gonna put the fib tool here, right at OTE level. Boom, we have good targets down in the order block. I say this is actually a very good setup to go short. Look at that. How about that? Maybe a little bit risky. I agree. Risk to reward is good. I might take a short. I might even take a short. No joke. No troll. To go back to the order block. But it's based on the 15 minutes. So if I want to stay on the same entry model, I should be staying on the 5-minute. But no, I'm not going to do anything. My entry model right now that I take the trades on the stream is based on the 5 minutes. So I'm not going to deviate from the plan. I'm going to stay with the plan. So let's see. Marco's taking long. All right. I'm really bullish at this time, especially because SMT 4 candles. Okay. Taps an order block. So hope to go. Yeah, could be. The 15-minute showed a very strong bearish entry at this point, but obviously I'm gonna wait. Toxic Sage, hey there. I'm short 3 micros from 125. Okay, so your entry is very good on the 15-minute chart. It's actually almost like a picture perfect entry. 3 micros is like $100 if you put the stop up there, around 139-ish area. So yeah. Previous day high, right? Should be. I'm using Eastern Standard Time. I'm not going with the candles. But yes, it's good. 140.75 on the micro. Let me check it. Yeah, 140.75 on the micro, and on the mini 140.25 on the mini. 140.25 on the mini, but I'm trading on the micro. So basically almost the same, 2 ticks difference. Yeah, around $90. All right. So that's a decent position. That is Asia highs. But it was still yesterday. Charger, thank you for the subscription. Welcome to the stream. I know it's Asia high, but it was still yesterday before midnight, right? So it was yesterday's highest point, Eastern Standard Time, which is also Asia high. So I can put it there. Asia high. Okay, no pullback. Also, no movement for the shorts. Still edging higher. So it has steam. Oh, don't be sorry. I'm many times wrong. Point of control lies at 32.50. Oh yeah. Let's look at this area. Price really, we're stalling here at 132-ish. This point. Oh, let me delete that. So still just waiting. Possible reversal could be happening on the 15-minute chart. It's still a valid short, so that's why I said if some of you guys are using the 15-minute as your entry model, I almost jumped into it, but I keep reminding myself that now my entry time frame is the 5-minute, but the 15-minute obviously, look at that, showed a classic short entry here. Market structure shift, displacement, OTE, which is now a little bit higher. The price is a little bit higher than OTE, but still valid. Good targets down there. So yeah. If by some unfortunate reason this would push higher and sweep the Asia high, well, I would be definitely, I would be definitely looking for shorts. That's total 100%. I mean, then I will be looking for short. shorts if it will present a shift. Getting inversion now. Could be shorting below the midnight open is how you get burned. And here's my first TP. There you go. J-Ho is pushing it. Wait for taking Asia high, then flip down. Yeah, at this current situation, that's also what I'm waiting for. Take out Asia high, and then maybe going back into the order block. So I forgot to read. Ashav said a pullback to 110 makes sense and chance to re-enter long. Yeah. So if right now we would be pulling back to, yeah, somewhere around 110, 112 area, but that would be, I mean, I would only take that long if this pullback would be a sharp or steep pullback. So not just, you know, slipping lower, but actually sharp pullback is not good as well. But I don't want to see it just, you know, consolidating and slipping lower. I would like to see some speed, you know, going back down, boom, and this could be a good scenario. But I have to wait. Let me check on gold again. Look at gold. Ho ho. Now gold has officially taken out the 15-minute order block here, which is a good sign if I want to take the entry on the order block. Because as soon as it breaks structure to the downside, I'm going in hoping to sweep these lows. I'm going to actually make a video for Discord and for YouTube members this weekend about the order block entries that I use, because I already have one in the videos from last year. It's called the 3-pin order block entry, but at this scenario I'm going to be looking for structure breaks. All right, let's see. Yeah. Also, until we're waiting, please don't forget to push the like button and subscribe to the channel. And also, if you would like to support the stream and keep it going, keep it rolling, then please use one of my codes or links to, if you want to purchase some of these prop firm evaluation accounts. We have some good sales going on this week. Don't sleep on it. The BULENOX sale is going to end on Sunday, so the 90% lifetime is off from Monday. I think it's going to go back to 83%. Take Profit Trader, 40% off, no activation fee. Check it out. The Apex sale is still going on for the big accounts, $40. That's awesome. $85 activation fee lifetime. And MyFundedFutures expert account sale is definitely stopping at the end of the month. So the 20% sale is over for the experts. And even if you have an expert account and some unfortunate reason you blow the account, I would suggest to keep it, because they said there's not going to be this anytime soon on the expert accounts. So it includes the activation fee as well, and so far MyFunded Futures has the least of rules in prop firms. Thank you. Tom H, hey Tom, is it for USD at Apex for the first month only? No, it's lifetime. So good question. If you go for the big accounts for $40, it's lifetime. And that's why it's also a good idea to keep the account subscription even if you blow it, because if you get charged again, rebuild, then you're gonna get the same price with the reset, of course. So that's what I always do. I still have MyFunded Futures evaluation account for $50 when they had the sale, and I blow the account 2 times already, and I kept the subscription because I know in next month I'm gonna be having that renewed for the same discount price. All right, what else is there? Gold is still up there. Now gold is looking good for a possible short here. Honestly, okay, I have a sell limit at 36.7 on gold. Only on an evaluation account. It's a risky entry. My stop loss 36.7. Oh, this is not even, sorry, 36.7. So risk to reward is still okay. It's based on an order block, so it's not my usual. It's not the usual classic entry. This is an order block entry. If I'm gonna get entered, I'll let you guys know. Activation fee of 100 is a couple hundred. The activation fee stays until the middle of August, so it's gonna stay $85 until mid-August. And if you pass the account after mid-August, worst case scenario, what I would do is I would choose the monthly $85. So I would go with the monthly fee after that, because if you pass the account and if you have a trading edge and the plan, then you should be able to pull out money in 60 days from the account. Now, that should cover your fees. So I would go with the monthly. Good morning. Did you buy it with your code? I did buy it. Oh, Saya, thank you. That is awesome. Thank you for the support, Saya. Thank you so much. How much is the activation fee? MyFunded Futures 50. The starter account has the activation fee of 149. But if you bought the account, because I bought the account when there was the discount, and the discount activation fee stays for lifetime. So if I pass that account, my activation fee is going to be $50 as well. But the expert account has no activation fee if you go with an expert account, but it's more expensive, obviously. Exited out of the short with $20 loss. All right. Let me see what's happening. I got triggered into the gold short. I'm not happy about it because it's in drawdown. NQ seems like Seems like it might be returning down there. Gold did break a structure, but I'm waiting for NQ. NQ is going to move a bit unless FTSE is open. Yeah, we need 20 more minutes to see what's going to happen. Retrace reversal. Yeah, now that we hit midnight. Yeah, the midnight level is quite interesting. And also on the 15-minute chart, this is a clear short opportunity. I did not enter. We talked about it. You know, Erkan, good morning and good luck to everyone. Yes. So we talked about it. Let me check something here real quick. Yeah, look at that. What a reaction. I would be scared to jump into this long now. I don't know why. Because it had the reaction on this level. And now at this point, it just feels like that it might want to dig deeper into the order block. So I'm not going to take this entry. It can still go higher. If your entry model is based on the 5-minute and you're bullish, then it's your choice to take it. I changed my mind, and because we had this perfect reaction, it shows that market might want to push it deeper. But let me know what you guys think. You know, that's what I think, but waiting 990. Hello, Teacher FX. What's up? Drop a like and subscribe. Yeah. Archon, hey, thank you for joining the channel. Welcome. 99. Looking for higher zone. Yeah. At this moment, I'm a little bit scared to enter long here on this fair value gap. Also, I think higher time frame rules. The bigger the time, the higher the time frame, the more it's significant. So the 15-minute was actually a beautiful short entry. I'm a little bit scared now to enter long, but I don't want to mess up your entry if you're dedicated to go long here. This is technically a good long entry on the 5-minute chart, but the reaction here and the whole situation with the order block gets me a little bit. I'm not saying I'm not scared, but gives me some second thoughts or doubts about this. So just gonna wait. I'm gonna wait and see. So I'm in the gold short, I told you guys. Let me just measure the targets here. 24. 36, 6. All right. In a bit of a drawdown on the gold, but oh yeah, let me show you the chart. Sorry, forgot to show you guys. Shorted NQ. All right. All right. Let's just be on the sidelines. Yeah. At least market is bullish, so I rather would look for a long trade. Currently we are at VWAP. Yeah, could be. Oh, let me show you my gold entry. It's somewhere here. MGC. This is the gold entry I took. And that's it. My target is 32.2 on the futures. So I know it's different number on Forex brokers or prop firms. There is a small tiny liquidity void down there. It could be helping. It's not that significant, and you know, these kind of liquidity voids are usually not that strong, but you know, it's good to know that they're there. And I think it's only on the micros, but this is my entry. Risking about 120, but this is an evaluation account. I am not putting a trade on the funded account right now, or any funded account for that matter. Okay, looks like this one could have been a good reaction here. I might have missed my entry. There was an OTE entry at 14-ish. NQ could be going higher. And my gold trade is going to go to the dumpster, it seems like. You're good morning. Mandatory like, thank you. Let's see. So yeah, my gold currently is not looking that attractive. I did not take the NQ long here, but obviously it's a valid entry on the 5-minute chart. I'm on evaluation account this morning, and I'm trying to do something different here. I'm trying to focus a little bit more on order block. Of course, I'm focusing on this one too, classic entry, but I just want to see how this goes. My stop loss is 39. Yeah, that would be all right. So that's my trade on gold here. $32. Yeah, it's just looking now. It's so far at this second it looks good, but NQ is just stopped. I get a long re-enter at 12. May not get filled. Who knows? You know, we have the market open in about 10 minutes, so we could be having some volume kicking in, hopefully. NQ could be going down to the 12. Now this was exactly the thing that I was a little bit afraid of. I mean, the reaction that it took on the midnight level, look at that, hit it, boom, go down. And we have the order block, and that's why I was a little bit scared to enter. And now it struggles a little bit. It's struggling. It can still go down, repricing lower, and then go higher. But as I said, I'm just focusing too much on the order block at this current session, and that's what made me a little bit scared. Order blocks usually meant to be broken. I should make a t-shirt about that, but that's what I think. One question for MyFunded Futures: there is no cap on withdrawal, and you can withdraw any amount above buffer. Yes, exactly. On the expert account, not on the starter. On the expert account, there is no withdrawal cap. You can withdraw any amount above the buffer. Also, you can withdraw up to 60% of the safety buffer, safety threshold. But yes, if you make $20,000 in a day, because there is no consistency rule on the expert account and no withdrawal cap, if you make $20,000 in a day, then you can withdraw it. Only thing you have to be aware at MyFunded Futures is that you have to flip the account once every week, because there was an issue about a month ago or 2 months ago that someone first got denied because he made a huge day, $20,000, and he was just waiting for 2 weeks for the payout. And first he got denied, but then eventually he got paid out 60% of the profit because he was not touching the account for 2 weeks after that. But he still got paid out on 60% on the profit or something like that. So that's the only one I know, but that you have to watch out for. Must flip the funded account once every week. Okay, seems like the bullish reaction is good on Nasdaq. What else? Okay, believe it or not, because I dedicated an evaluation account to only order block trades, and this is something I might go into journal even on YouTube on a separate video. So on this specific, this is going to be MyFunded Futures evaluation account. I'm only going to take order block trades, nothing else. And I might even going to look, because for the proper trade, sometimes you don't even have a trade for 3 days if you're watching the 5 or the 50, because my order block that I would be watching would be on the 15 minute, and the entry would be on the 5 minute. So that gives me about 1 entry every second or third day. So I might gonna be watching the gold and even the pound futures in that level. So if I want to take 1 trade on average every single day, 6 or 7, like 7 are going too long at least. This could be some more effect, a long trade. Yeah, we have reverb resistance. Yes. Yeah, sure, Hassan. What I'm gonna do, I still didn't do that. I'm way behind my schedule. Is I'm going to, for the next time on the stream, there on the description, I'm gonna share a Google Sheet, and you guys can be updated about what's going on. And yeah, definitely. How many contracts are you trading? I'm trading currently on gold. I'm in with 5 contracts. I'm risking about $120, but this is an evaluation account. I'm not touching the funded accounts on Friday. Not touching the fundeds on Friday. It's not a hard rule, because obviously if I see a supersonic A+++ setup, I might take it. But I'm just going with evals right now. So NQ having a bit of a struggle here. Let me show you my gold trade. It's not looking too good right now. This is the gold trade I'm in. With micros. Yesterday I had a great day. We had, I mean, it was awesome. Guys, I have to go and use the bathroom and pick up something from the kitchen. I'll be back in 2 minutes. Let's wait for Nasdaq and push the like. Don't go away. Just chill. I'll be right back, all right? I'm sorry, everyone. I just had to talk on the phone too, but I'm here. I am here. So we had the London Open. We did not miss anything major. I think my gold trade is done. Oh, by some miracle, I'm still in the gold trade. I don't know how, but by some miracle, I'm still in it. I'm still in it. But don't know how. All right. What else is there? Gold is still up there. Let's look at NQ. Hey, I'm back. All right. Yeah, sorry guys. So NQ is still holding this area. If some of you guys went long around 12, this is still technically a valid trade. But this is why I was scared as we hit that midnight level and boom, went down super fast. Because of this order block. So if someone is short on the 15-minute chart, I think the good target or the low-hanging fruit should be somewhere around 2090 or some partial TP, otherwise 83-ish, but I'm waiting for this. Yeah, the gold trade is not looking good. What else is there? Okay, ES. I think ES is still bullish. If I zoom out, ES is definitely bullish, so that could bring NQ a little bit higher. At this moment, it looks bullish. That it wants to make some new highs above 55, 63, 50. Yeah. Yeah, this is the gold trade still. NQ is holding this level. Look at that. All right, NQ is. ES is pushing higher, so it looks like NQ is starting to get a grip here. Yeah, my gold trade is going down. I mean, to the stop. Damn it. I'm just messing. I mean, I'm just killing down my stats for the end of the month. The stream stats, that is. Damn it. Yeah, gold is gone. All right. Not happy. Not happy about this, but seems like the NQ long is playing out nicely. Lost the gold. What can we do? Do the next one, yeah. Yeah, come on. Ashev's is definitely on a good side right now. Let's go. I think your entry was 12, right? On the long. So this gold hit the stop loss. Right there. Unfortunate. Moving to the next one. All right, all right. What else do we have? We have, let me check on some other futures as well. Okay, NQ is struggling a little bit. I think we're gonna have some news, not major. Oh, we had already, sorry. We had some news. Okay, nothing special. Spanish flash CPI. Only thing we're having today is core PCE index. Revised University of Michigan consumer sentiment. We will see. At 10 a.m. NQ going lower a little bit. I wonder if we're gonna have a reaction if it goes down. I don't want you guys to be in the drawdown, especially not Ashev's, but I hope it's not gonna go too much against you. But if it goes down, I want to see a proper reaction on the order block. Going sideways a bit. I'm still looking on gold. I mean, looking at it, maybe later it's going to provide a structure shift to the downside. So I'm going to be watching for that. But other than that, nothing special. All right, let's see. Nasty move around VWAP again. Yeah, right now this, look at the, I mean, it's just circulating around the VWAP. I don't know what the hell is going on with this, but yeah, it's nasty. It's nasty. Don't know why the hell it does this. I'm not in a trade. Don't worry. I'm not in a trade. Yeah, I always check. By the way, reminder, always check if you have any open orders, because sometimes you don't see it on Quant Hour and there could be some orders camping on some of your accounts. So even before I close everything, or if I'm just AFK or whatever, before that I always check if I have orders, because you never know. Sometimes it could be glitching out and you don't see it on the chart. Look at this, Nasdaq is just a little bit losing its momentum here. That's why I was scared to enter the long, because of this reaction up there. And I hope for you guys that are long, that it's not gonna be here for too much more. But yeah, it could be going lower. I normally would have gone long there and I got screwed by it. Luckily, I ignore my setups around me. But you know, that's also a good thing. It could be also a strategy. Ignore setups around the VWAP. You know, if the price is away from the VWAP and you have the sharp retracement, then boom, that could be also part of a strategy. And you can also say that no entry at the VWAP. 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 It's like when Stewie Griffin says in Family Guy, "Cool whip." Cool whip. Not cool whip, cool whip. Say cool, cool. Say whip, whip. Say cool whip, cool whip. Cool whip. Stewie, yeah. Stewie is great. Who is your favorite character in Family Guy? Let me know. I'm gonna tell you mine. Mine is Quagmire. Giggity giggity. Giggity. Of course, Quagmire. That guy is sick. Actually, that guy is a sick person. Giggity giggity 50s giggity. All right. What else is here? Herbert. Oh, he's cool too. Herbert. He's cool too. Come here, you little fella. Shh, shh. Where's you going? Come here, come inside and let's drink tea. Where is the paper boy? You're not the paper boy. You know. Just reach into my pocket and there's some change for you, sonny boy. I don't know how they do it, but that's cool. Okay. NQ is acting weird. Let's be honest. Let's be honest. NQ is a little bit weird this morning. Oh yeah, the chicken fight with Peter. The chicken, yeah. Peter and the chicken. Those guys are arch enemies for life. You know. That is so awesome. They're practically destroying the whole city. Everything. Nothing matters. I would say it is weird the last 2 days. Yeah, Monday and Tuesday were good. Now, today and yesterday, it was weird. It was definitely weird. Epic fight, yes. Yes, Fendi. That was an epic fight. All right. Just watching this. Damn, I don't know what to make of NQ right now. That's just so weird. No idea what it wants. You sold at 130? Why would it take you out? Well, nobody knows, you know, what's gonna happen. All we know right now is that there's a huge indecision, I think, at this current state here on NQ. Nobody really knows. NQ wants your money or soul, whichever is cheaper. All right. Could be digging for the 4-hour BC. Could be. Steezy, hey, I'm short too. We are in this together. All right. I'm still flat. I'm not going to take a trade yet on NQ. I still have to wait. I mean, I want to wait for a possible entry. It's tempting for me to re-enter to gold again for a short, but I don't know. I'm just gonna watch NQ instead. All right. Not interested either. Yeah, it's better to sit on the sidelines and wait for the market to decide what to do. Lizel, hey, I'm in the gym and there is one guy here that really looked like you. Come on, Lizel. All right. You know, I'm everywhere. I'm Dr. Manhattan. I can be everywhere every time. Stop at break even. Are you stopped or you just put your stop to break even? Yeah, I'm everywhere. By the way, I know I said this before. Don't worry. Don't worry. Lizelle, don't do weird things. Don't get yourself, you know, out from that gym taking pictures of others. Joseph is saying market is awesome, all in. By the way, just saying, Dr. Manhattan is the strongest superhero in the whole universe of superheroes. Every superhero universe combined together, and every superhero, Dr. Manhattan is the strongest one. Nobody gets close to him. Not Superman, not anyone. Nobody. Dr. Manhattan is the strongest. Just saying. Ugly equals up and down, yeah. Tom, the omnipresent. Iron Virgil, thank you. I am. Dr. Manhattan, come on, Sam. You have to research. You have to do your research from Watchmen, you know. From Watchmen. Dr. Manhattan. Although I'm not a big superhero person, I do like superhero movies. I mean, not the recent ones, because recently everything is over flooded, but you know, there was the Watchmen uncut movie, or the extended version. I do love that. And there was the Watchmen HBO series. Now I think that was a masterpiece. The Watchmen HBO series, that was an absolute masterpiece. But those who don't know the Watchmen universe might not understand what's going on. So I would say, if you don't know who Dr. Manhattan is, you have to be aware of the Watchmen universe. You've seen that movie? Don't remember anything? Okay, then never mind. Never mind then. Anyway, Dr. Manhattan is the strongest. He can actually wipe out the whole civilization with just one. He doesn't even need the Infinity Stones or stuff like that that Thanos needs. You know, Dr. Manhattan can just think in a blink of an eye, boom, and everybody's gone. That's it. He's basically God. So that's all. I just remember there was a hot blondie girl. Oh yeah, there was. Silk Spectre, I think. Yeah. All right, what is going on? NQ still going sideways. Gold. Damn. This market, guys, is just wow. I took another trade on gold. 36.9 is my entry. Maybe I should not have taken it. If this one fails on gold, I'm not taking more trades on gold this session. 36.9 is my new entry. Stop loss is 39.1 on futures. Let me show you. Here it is. Re-entered gold as a second chance to go short. Only on evaluation accounts. Just saying, sorry, one evaluation account. I'm not putting these trades on my funded accounts today. Especially not this one. So I call this out. If I lose this, it's going to the stream stats. Also, if I win, I hope. But this is my second chance for gold. You slept on so much money. 100 tick hike and actually nice. Congrats, Naz. Hey. You gotta love market manipulation. Oh, yes. London is a little bit crazy. Yeah. So this is what I did. I gave a second chance for my gold trade. NQ still sideways. How much is the risk to reward on this one? 22 ticks. Okay, it's like a 1 to 2 risk to reward. So let's see. Holding gold from yesterday. All right. Let's see your chart. Oh, look at this, guys. This is the chart of financial system breaker. Look at this. 1 hour holding it. Good job, good job. Yeah, I'm actually on the same side. I do think that gold could be pushing lower. I don't really look for too much. I just want gold to maybe sweep these lows at least, because I'm on a 5-minute obviously. But yes, it can definitely go. I agree with that, but you know, market manipulation makes me lose my mind. Oh yeah, all my losses are from getting stopped out. And this is why you need some entry rules, you know, mechanical rules that you apply for. Let's do that, Naz. How about moving your GC stop loss to break even? Well, yeah, that could be a possibility, but you know how I am. You know how I am. I usually wait it out. Yeah. Let's see. Let's see Nasdaq. Looks like Nasdaq might want to go lower too. I don't know. No, actually we're not. We're just consolidating in this gap. At the VWAP, inside this gap, no direction. Yeah. Divergence all over. ES got a short. Oh, let me check on ES. Yeah, ES took this high. Could be going down. We have an order block also on the 5-minute. Also the 50-minute could be going lower. Could be. NQ has formed a small range. Yeah, just consolidation. Let's go. Gold trade is still here. Let's see what it does. Damn it. It's messing up. You know, again. It's messing up. No, I'm not gonna full short. I'm not gonna full port and full short. But yeah, look at NQ. It's just up, down, up, down. I believe you, Nez. I believe it's gonna go. Ba-da-ba-ba. All right, what else do we have? Interesting, the pound broke the order block. That's good. It's too late now. Yeah, we could be. Yeah, I know you. I know that works out for you, Naz. Look at that. It is going lower. Gold is still there. At least it broke lower. For NQ. Oh, this is the 3-minute. What the hell am I looking? I usually look at the 5-minute. Why am I looking at the 3-minute? Yeah. Yeah, you might be right, Naz. But I'm still gonna stick with this because, you know, I put too much time and effort in it, and so far, you know, I like it. I'm comfortable with it, so yeah, I'm gonna keep on with this one. Ba-dum, 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 ba-dum. Ba-dum, 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 ba-dum. Ba-dum. All right, Nez. Love ya. Ba-dum, ba-dum, ba-dum. Ba-dum, ba-dum. Nez, I think you should be checking your ego as well. Because I understand that you are trading with Heiken and I totally respect it. You know, I absolutely respect that you're trading with that. But I never said to you to trade anything else, because you're trading this, obviously. So, bye, Naz. Obviously, I don't need Naz to be here, so let's just put him out. Yeah, that's better. I just put up with his shit. Always coming here and putting up with this, all these things. So, yeah, do something else. Finally. It actually feels better. Let's see what it does. It seems that it could be ripping higher. Let's see, let's see. If it goes higher, then obviously previous day high could be a good target because it's also Asia high. And look at this gap, it's still holding very good. Thank you, finally. All right. Oh, Baz, a lot of people got banned in the past 2 weeks. Yeah. I had to. A lot of people, because we're focusing on trades, you know, everybody's focusing on their own strategy. So why do we have to, you know, disturb our own minds with this? We don't need toxicity, right? Just, you know, I respect everybody's trading system. If somebody doesn't like what I trade, obviously it's super simple. You just move on to another stream. It's that simple. It's that simple. And if someone keeps telling me every single day what not to do and what to do, and every single day, like Naz, then obviously after a time it gets a little bit annoying. And I was very patient, and I need to focus on trading. What up, Trading Star? What's going on? All right. So we're going sideways. We're going sideways, and still no idea. Oh, the gold trade again. It's going against me. Damn it. If this one fails, I'm not taking more trades on the gold. That's for sure. That is for sure. Not for this session. Now this is absolutely untradeable here. Damn it, gold. Why are you doing this to me, gold? Yeah, I mean, Monday and Tuesday, it was great. But today and yesterday, especially, I mean, yesterday was still all right, but Wednesday, Thursday, even today, especially in London, I don't know what's happening, but frustrating, that's for sure. Let's go. It's your money to win or lose. Yeah, no one else. Yeah. Big news 9:55 for the German side. Let me check. Unemployment change. Now that is, yeah, for example, why it is a low impact. It should be a high impact news. German unemployment change. Germany is one of the leading countries in the European Union. Now unemployment change should be much more important to Euro than low impact news. So I don't understand. Oh yeah, yeah, they're building up liquidity, that's for sure. So they're expecting a lower number in unemployment. Oh no, this gold trade is going down again. All right, I'm not touching gold today anymore. Luckily, it's only a valuation account, but still, damn it. Yeah, waiting like that. I would not put on these trades on funded account. That's 100%. That's 100% true. I would not do this on funded. But what can we do, right? NQ still there. My gold trade just got wiped out, so this is it. Trade stats. Dude, it's very bad. 22.54. Dude, it's very bad. Oh, thanks for being here, Bess. Good luck for you too, for later, if you trade. Still waiting around at 995. Yeah. Yeah, I'm not gonna touch gold. That's for sure. Messed me up in this session. And that's it. I was short on gold. I was short. Let me show you. I went short 2 times. Once here, as it broke structure based on the 15-minute order block, took me out first, and then I gave it a second chance. Breaking structure. It was actually here. I entered, put a stop there, and I just got stopped out from this. So these were my trades. So 2 stops, that's it. No more chances. Gold, I don't know what's happening with gold, but obviously on the 5-minute it didn't work out for me. So yeah. Did not work out for me. All right, NQ is sideways. Kill zone is, we still have time from the kill zone. I'm gonna extend this to here. I sold, sorry. I sold it and it went against me. I think it wants to take out previous day high, maybe before it wants to go lower. But it's gonna be a mystery. It's a mystery. I think for liquidity grab in 15 minutes, bullish order block and Q. Yeah. Feels like it just ran out of steam, might be going lower. You know. Might be doing that. Oh hey, we have a new subscriber. Arafella's vlog just subscribed. Thank you for joining the channel. And anybody who would like to do that, please push the like button. That helps out the stream, and subscribe. Let's push this channel. We're gonna do a giveaway at 2,500. All I can tell you. I'm gonna do a giveaway at 2,500. So let's push it. All right, pound is up there. Gold went higher. ES also going sideways. Feels bearish, NQ right now. Hard to say. Head and shoulder maybe? I don't know. Not sure. Not sure. I already took a shower. I was going to jump to gold when it was breaking structure on 5-minute too, but yeah. I was too much focusing on the order block on the 15. I was focusing too much on this order block. And I just waited. I was just waiting to break structure and go lower. But as you see, obviously, it's just going higher. I mean, the 15-minute order block, and I was watching structure on the 5-minute to break. It is what it is. You know, gave it a second chance. I was married to the idea that we should be sweeping these lows. It didn't happen. And that's it. Yeah. So right now I'm just waiting for the next best chance to do it. Yeah, let's move to the next one, obviously. We are We are moving to the next one. It's a typical trader's life, that's for sure. It's typical. All right. I have a feeling that NQ will break 5-minute support. Could be. Yeah, I think we have a good chance for it. Sorry. Let's go back to NQ. Could be. Look at this consolidation. We're barcoded, technically, on the 5-minute. I tried to short 140 to have between 10 and 20 points with 3 mini. Well, that's a good entry at 140. Did you say you shorted or you're trying? Let me see. I tried to short. Okay. So yeah, 140. It could be a total soup short. Let's see if it gets there. Fendi, I mean, trust your analysis. That's what I can say. Trust your analysis, and good things are gonna happen. Don't let yourself be compromised by others. Of course, be open-minded and everything, but trust your analysis, and good things are gonna happen. That's also what Mark Douglas says. I need only average 12 points. I mean, 12 points is doable, right? Absolutely. $12 points is something that can be done. Super easy. I don't know why I'm still looking at gold. I'm just looking. I'm not going to take a trade, but I'm looking at gold. Not taking trade on gold, but yesterday was a beautiful trade that I missed. For 250Ks. Yannick's, come on, let's go. If you can average 12 points a day, you can make as much money as you. That's true. If you have a system or the ability or the skill to do that every day, then hey, you're on your way to print money. Our broken gold trade love story. Yeah, I fell in love with that gold trade. That's why I'm still looking at it. But no, I'm not going to take a trade on it. But yesterday it was a huge FOMO with gold. Yesterday it was a FOMO. This week was horrible for me. Feeling extremely low confidence. Hey, don't be hard on yourself, Iron Virgil. You have to analyze what you did wrong. If you entered on your according to your plan, that's fine. I think, I mean, 90% of the time is because of emotions and revenge trading. And if I would have to bet, I'd say on your side it was the same thing too. I bet that you were doing some revenge trading or oversizing, over leveraging. So Isham, good morning. So don't be hard on yourself. If your system was okay, then it's actually you. You have to work on yourself. It's hard to deal with emotions. We do that. Everyone does that every day. So don't beat yourself up to it. What's going on, Isham? What's happening? I've told myself so many times, but I break it very often. Yeah, that's the thing. Why 90% lose? Yeah, it's you. You know, you're the obstacle. You have to overcome that, and it's super hard for everyone, even for the pros. I mean, they went through it. Everybody has to go through that, and for some people it's super hard. Some people might take it easy. Or not easy, because nobody takes that easy, but some people get through it a little bit faster. Other people, like me, get through it much slower. Look at Nasdaq. Terrible. Terrible 5-minute price action here. But have a system, have an edge, have a good entry model, and just execute and manage risk. That's all you can do as a trader. Execute your edge and manage your risk properly, accordingly. Don't oversize. That's it. Don't overtrade, only if you see your entry. I know it sounds super simple, but I know it's not. I know it's not simple. For example, according to my rules, if I gave a second chance to my trade, that's it. Even if I see my entry playing out again, I'm not entering, because that's where I have to stop. I gave a second chance to my trade on gold, and that's it. You're welcome, Iron Virgil. Emotions are the things that a chimpanzee beat many hedge fund manager. Oh yeah. Yeah. Okay, Nasdaq made a low inside. We're inside this 15-minute order block. If anybody was long here, I don't know. Some stops might be triggered here, but if I would have been long here, I would be out from this trade. So that would have been 2 losses anyway. 1 on gold and 1 here, even if I don't give a second chance. Unfortunately, Nasdaq is going down. That's why I said earlier on the stream that if I see an order block on the higher time frame, in this case on the 15-minute, order blocks usually meant to be triggered or broken. So and the way that it reacted to the midnight level, it scared me to enter into a long. So that's It's not. We're going into this area. I'd like to see, if I take a long, I'd like to see price going down and take out the bottom of the order block, even go into this other fair value gap, and then go higher from there, right? So that's what I would like to see, but who knows? After rolling 7 accounts, now I start to write journal. There you go, Hassan. Write a journal, and listen, I write a journal too. Actually, where is my latest one? No, I have two. Where's my other journal? I have two same books like this, but it's, you know, I'm writing my own journal too on paper. I have it on my desk, and at the end of the day, I write down my emotions. For example, I have some good ideas here. Risk management. Use trade manager, no. Wait for pullbacks, retracements. So I always write down my thoughts for the day. What went good, what went wrong. And I do this the old classic fashion way. What is this? I wrote here toilet paper, soap. Oh, that's not it. Shopping list. No, it's not. I succeed to pass trade evaluation yesterday. Ho ho! Yannick, congratulations for passing the account. That is awesome. That is a great job. That is a great job. NQ going lower. One more look at gold. Yeah, I don't trust gold this morning. Gold is playing dirty on me. It's a love affair between gold and me. By the way, I'm trading hindsight right now, but I'm not going to put it in the trade stats because I did not call it out, and I'm not going to call it out right now either. But I did enter a short on the order block. But even if I would win this trade, I would not put it on the trade stats. This is a hindsight trade based on order blocks on the pound futures, by the way. But I'm not calling it out. These two trades I called out this morning, it's unfortunate. That they got blown. But what can I do, right? Da, 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 da. Let's see what's going on. NQ in the order block. I'm still scared to jump in anything on NQ. Let's see what's going on. What is an order block, Bernard? It's I'm gonna tell you my version of the order block, but there's actually a lot of videos on YouTube, like literally thousands of videos on YouTube about order blocks. But basically, an order block is like a bunch of orders that's shifting market structure or acting as a continuation with strong movements and displacement. For example, here, and for the order block to be complete order block, usually there needs to be some kind of a liquidity sweep. So let's take an example here on this. It's not an A+ order block, but let's go with this example. Yesterday, which was, I mean, it was Asia session, technically almost. These candles, these down close candles, were sweeping some liquidity here from this fair value gap, going down, sweeping some orders, liquidity. And then, as these down close candles were finished, strong upward movement also shifted market structure there to the left. So this was actually a confirmation that it's a strong move from the market. These orders got triggered, swept the liquidity, and boom, went higher. So this puts this area as a block of orders. Now, I know it sounds a little bit strange or stupid or whatever. This is my understanding. A block of orders still around this area. There could be resting some iceberg orders. Oh, I'm not going to go into what are iceberg orders. Anyway, still some leftovers, some orders in this place that could trigger the market to push higher. So market came back down here, got triggered, went back up there, actually failed to go higher, going lower, struggling, but I think is going to take out the order block. Now, if the market still wants to push it higher, we could see a continuation, but actually this is an order block. I'm sorry, I can't really explain it myself better, but there's lots of videos about this, about the criteria. Some videos explain it differently. So a lot of variations of how to understand it. This is my understanding. And I always measure the order block not from the wick. Many people measure it from the wick. I don't measure it. I'm measuring it from the body of the candle, at least the entry level. Anyway. Yeah, you're welcome. If you understand fair value and order block, take a look at YouTube channel from Smart Risk. There you go. There you go. He explained it very good. So a lot of people on YouTube made some very good videos. I couldn't even make such a good video on order block because already a lot of good videos on order blocks and how to handle them. This what I just said is like, this was like a low quality explanation, but I think I managed to nail the core of the order block. They still consider it valid after it tests. So yeah, this was the first test. I always, as I said, I always measure the order block's entry level from the body of the first down close candle, or the first bearish candle, open of the first bearish candle, which is here. So in this morning, price went into the order block, tested it, we got the reaction. So the initial reaction, we got it. Now, if price starts to slip down again, I would expect that this level is not going to hold again. And that's why I didn't take the long on NQ. I would expect that price is going to go lower inside to the order block. And honestly, because it has already been mitigated, I mean, it's not the best word for it. Some people, also ICT says, so it's not the best word to use, mitigated, but it's already went inside. I mean, sorry, it was already mitigated once. It's going inside the order block. I would expect the order block to be broken. So in this case, I would like to see the order block to be taken out, the low of the order block taken out. And even if we're in a bullish market still, I would be looking for bullish moves after the order block has been broken. But that's from after this moment, it's personal perspective. What are you looking for and what you risk? But we had the initial reaction, went higher, and that's why I was scared to enter a second long, because I knew that this is not going to hold. I didn't know actually, but I was anticipating that this is not going to be able to hold it that strong because it was an order block. Anyway, I'm sorry if I'm too boring, but what to do right now, right? It is what it is. It is what it is. Basikana Ne Congo, good morning. Are you Bass? You're Bass, right? You're a member. You just changed your name. All right. Good morning. Good morning. How you doing this morning? Well, seems like nothing so far in this order block. Let's keep on waiting and see what it does. Let's see what it does. I mean, Nasdaq. And just for the fun, I'm still looking. I think gold is going to break the high. So I'm okay with that. I'm actually looking for longs, to be honest. I'm looking for a long entry, a continuation. The market is still bullish, I think, in the big picture. If the order block gets taken out and it forms a structure here, I'm going to be looking for some long entry. So, yeah, you just changed the name. You're Kojak, because there was somebody with Bass. Oh, he was a member. He's not a member now, but it's no problem. You were Kojak. Okay, sorry. Sorry. How's it going? Oh, connection lost. Continue. All right. Sometimes Apex is losing connection, but yesterday, for example, Bulenox was losing connection. I think it has to do something with rhythmic. Yesterday it was Apex. Still, it's a reaction to the order block. I don't know. Let's see what it does. Gold edging higher. When is the unemployment numbers coming out from? Oh, it already came out. Okay, so bigger unemployment number than expected. The German unemployment number is bigger than expected. Less than last time. Obviously not the best news. But, yeah. Hey, Rob. How's it going? How's the session? I had 2 losses, unfortunately. And it's so bad because it's like I started the month very good with the stats. So I started the month very good. I was on a winning streak. And right now, for the end of the month, I'm actually ruining everything. I have more and more losses on stream. But today, 2 losses on gold, unfortunately. I tried to go short once. Second time, and that's it. No more chance for gold in this session. So all I'm doing right now is looking Nasdaq. Maybe it's gonna give something, but I'm waiting for the order block to show some structure or being broken at this point. Broken, to be breaken. I don't even know how to speak properly. I know. That's what I'm looking for. Obviously, we have a reaction here. I just don't know if this current reaction is like just a reprice and it's going to continue lower, or is it a strong move? I don't know that. A lot of consolidation, choppy. Yeah. Yeah, absolutely. That's true, Rob. And Monday and Tuesday were beautiful. But today, even yesterday, London session, well, Wednesday, Thursday, and today morning, it's not good. Monday and Tuesday were excellent. But this here is just not working out as it should be. I mean, it's too much consolidation, too much chop, indecision, uncertainty in the market. Hard to tell. So what can we do? We just wait. That's all we can do. I don't have my entry on this. And I just went out of coffee. Anyway, if we're gonna reach 2500, I'm gonna do a giveaway, so please push the like button and subscribe to the channel. Some good news are coming. And if you would like to support the stream, please use my codes and links. So yeah. So please use my codes and links if you would like to support. We have some good sales. Don't sleep on the Buleanox. It's going to end. The 90% ends on Sunday. So then it's going to be 83% after Sunday. Apex gives you the big accounts for $40 each. So lifetime, by the way, both Buleanox and Apex. Lifetime $40. Activation fee lifetime $85 if you pass the account until the 15th of August. MyFundedFutures expert account, they said there's not going to be a sale like this on the expert account after this month. So 20% off. Even if you blow the account, keep it because you get the discount. So that's it. Let's check out gold. Let's check out gold. Oh, Jesus. Yeah. So I was definitely offside. At least it took out the high. So at least it took out the high. Oh man. This thing with gold. You're long again from 100 and stop at break even, hopefully straight push up. Yeah, good luck with that. Good luck with that. You know, if this reaction is still, I mean, if there were still some good orders here, you could have a strong reaction, maybe break above the 120 or even back to the midnight level. Good luck. You're at break even, so you should be fine. Look at that. You're also long an NQ at 104. All right. Good luck, guys. Good luck. That's how to do it. Look at that. Nice. Already at 13. Let's go. Fingers crossed for you. Let's go. Let's go. 14 points for Ashevs. 10 points for Bass. No, Kojak. Sorry. I'm gonna call you Bazinka. Or Congo. Go to 140. Oh yeah. Yannick says the 140 there. Let's go, guys. Let's go. You want to short. I know you are waiting for that level to go short. All right. My footprint in 15 minutes is green now. All right. We just swept all the liquidity and hit OTE from 262. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, let's hope it goes into your levels, your targets even more. I also have a short. I did not call it out. I'm short on pound, but whatever is gonna happen, even if I win or I lose, because I did not call it out, I'm not gonna put it to the live stats. I'm just gonna put it here. Which account is this? It's the 5, 5. This is it. So this is the trade I'm in on pound. But I did not call this out. I just put this trade on in hindsight. 1 to 2 risk to reward. So even if I win this one, I'm not going to put this to the stats. But I'm still in it. Let's see what NQ does here. Okay. Gold swept the highs. I'm gonna be still watching gold. This order block is still here. So all right. Sorry guys, I'm here. I just got my sandwich delivered. I got my sandwich delivered. This is my morning sandwich. So I'm here. What I'm gonna do, I don't want you guys to see how I'm eating. Just hear me, you know, I'm chewing the food. I'm still waiting for a reaction on this order block. I mean, most likely some kind of a structure to form and then go higher. This sandwich is good, actually. It has onion. It has everything. I am truly blessed that I get my sandwich delivered to my desk. But I'm here. So I'm still waiting. I know you guys are in a long position, but I'm waiting for a price to break the order block on the lows. But first, I want you guys to succeed and make more profits. But then I would like to see the order block being broken. All right, it seems like it's still going higher. Let's wait a little bit more. I'm guessing you guys are still holding the longs, I hope, because you should be in profit. All right, let's go, Ashes. It seems like it's still going higher. It looks like that. I mean, let's look at the 15-minute. Actually, on the 15-minute, it looks beautifully bullish. I mean, it looks like we can go for the 140. It's super easy. Super easy. Gold, nothing. All right. Looks very much bullish on the 15-minute now, but you're trading your stop. All right. That's a good idea, actually. You know, trail it and, you know, just wait for the reversal. Still waiting. Almost finished with my sandwich, so just saying. We still have about 20 minutes from the kill zone. I don't know how far this will go, but hey Dominic. Oh, I read your messages on Discord. I'm gonna go over them because I was out on a concert yesterday evening. I was in the and I arrived home a little bit late. But thank you for all the info. I have so much thing to look over. Yeah, all we can do is wait and see. How you doing, Dominic, by the way? How's your day so far? Hope you're doing well. Look at gold. Gold betrayed me. Tom, you trust more in the 5-minute order block than the 15-minute? I trust more in the 15-minute order block than on the 5-minute. So I should just put this simply like the higher time frame order block is a stronger one in my opinion. You know, also some traders are saying higher time frames rule. If there is some kind of indecision in your analysis, then and you can make it out what to do, then go to a higher time frame and look at the bigger picture. And I would say I trust more in the 15-minute higher order block. For example, I absolutely do not trust the 1-minute order blocks. I never did, because it's just not working. It's absolutely disrespected on the 1-minute. So the 5-minute, sometimes, you know, but the 15-minute intraday for day traders, I think it's pretty much optimal. The intraday for the 15-minute. Sorry, the 15-minute for intraday. That's better in my opinion, but yeah, I trust it more. So I check it on the 15-minute, like here. Okay, I see the order block, and I go down to the 5-minute and searching for some kind of a structure if I want to strictly enter on the order block. But the A+ entry on the order block would be if this would take out the low, form some kind of a structure, and then go higher. That would be the A+ entry. But that's a difference. That's a different lesson. I don't know. Different thing. This is not really tradable on the 5-minute, that's for sure. Even gold betrayed me, so don't like it. NQ looks like losing some strength here. Might be falling back down into the order block. Oh. Hey, back to the idiot box. Yeah. Actually, I mean, the idiot box should be this one, right? This is the consolidation. This is not yet, because there was some movement in this box. This is the no trade zone here. I hope you had a chance to show the secret. What was your reaction? I still don't have the reaction yet, because I was just briefly going through it this early morning around 6 a.m. or I don't know, 6:30. So I just saw like, oh my god, Dominic went on fire yesterday. So I haven't really gone through it yet. Marcos, Tom, I'm still watching it long. Nice. All right, Marcos, let's go. I'm gonna go through it. I have like at least, I don't know, a lot of messages on Discord. I have some emails too, and I was out on a concert. I slept like 3 hours, or maybe 4. I don't know. Okay. Good morning, Greg. What was your concert like, bro? Do you still hear me? No, not. It was actually a jazz concert, jazz music. It was very good. So I liked it. And we were talking, you know, we were drinking. I didn't drink alcohol. I was just drinking some soda. And it was a relaxing one, yeah. So we were talking. It was like, oh my god, it's like 2 a.m. or whatever. we have to go home. So, and yeah, that's how it went. So I wasn't even drinking. I was just listening music. You know, a lot of people were there. Good songs. I like jazz. Yeah. So I was driving anyway, and I was just drinking soda. And that's it. Actually, I had a virgin mojito cocktail. No alcohol. Dog is barking, so that's bullish. Neighbor's dog is barking, so that's a pretty much bullish sign. What's happening? Let's see. Virgin tonic. Yeah. So yeah, I fall to sleep. I didn't even have a shower, so I stink right now. I had a shower before we went to the concert, and then when we got home, I was like, no way, I'm not gonna go to the shower. I'm just gonna fall asleep immediately. So I did, and then I woke up around 6:30 something. I had to go. There's a shop, a grocery store not far from here, so I walked down there, and then I got back. So it was like almost like streaming time, and like, oh my god, I had no shower. So right now I stink. Right now, I have to go take a shower right after the stream. I have my cologne right here. Feels much better now. All right. What can we do? I mix this. Hey József! Én még igen, yes, itt élőzök, ja. De éppen hagyom abba, szerintem már nem megyek bele semmibe. So I was just saying to József that since gold betrayed me this morning, I don't think I can continue to trade on this session. I have no other entries anyway. So ES is pushing higher. ES is pretty much bullish. I would be careful with the shorts. So NQ longs are still in favor. If you guys are holding it still, it's just looking good. Otherwise, I don't know. So anyway, guys, I think I'm gonna call it here. Kill zone is almost over. I don't think I'm gonna have my entry. So I'm gonna be coming back in New York, of course. 2 losses, unfortunate. Gave a second chance for gold, took me out. No entry on NQ this morning. It is what it is. Thank you so much for watching. Please push the like and subscribe. We're going to have a giveaway at 2,500. Also, if you would like to support me, I would greatly appreciate it if you guys use my codes. Don't forget, BULENOX ends the sale at Sunday, and don't sleep on MyFunded Futures. 20% discount until Sunday as well. Thank you so much for watching. You guys are great. And what can I say? I'll be back in New York session, all right? Ashwez, good luck with the trade. Rob, thank you. Good luck to everyone. And it was a good session, all right? See you guys next time. I'll be back in New York. Have a good one. Be safe.